Join 4E Stories and subscribe our YouTube channel.
In a small, cheerful town lived a curious boy named Ollie. Ollie loved collecting things: marbles, stickers, shiny stones, and funny-shaped leaves. His room was full of little surprises hidden in every corner. One sunny afternoon, Ollie was playing in the attic when he found an old, dusty shoebox. It looked ordinary, but something was written on the top. "Put in what you love and see the magic above." Ollie's eyes widened. He quickly put his favorite shiny marble inside the box. Suddenly, poof, the box glowed bright blue, and out flew a crystal marble, floating in the air like a tiny planet. Ollie giggled in excitement. Next, he placed his sticker of a rocket inside the box. Swoosh! A mini rocket zoomed around his head. It left sparkly smoke in the air. "This is unbelievable!" Ollie shouted. He rushed outside to show his friends, Sarah, Hassan, and Zain. They all stared at the magical box with big, excited eyes. "Try putting my lucky coin," said Hassan. Ollie placed the coin inside. Cling, cling. Dozens of shiny gold coins appeared, raining like treasure. Everyone danced under the golden shower. Then Sarah placed her toy parrot inside. Flap, flap. A real talking parrot flew out, squawking, "Magic, magic, magic." But then Zain whispered, "Let's try something bigger." He placed a big football in the box. Boom! A giant football popped out and rolled down the street. People ran and shouted as it bounced over cars and fruit stalls. "Oh no! We're in trouble!" Ollie panicked. The box kept glowing brighter and brighter, like it was overheating. The parrot screeched, "Stop! Put something small. Put something small." Ollie quickly grabbed a tiny thank you note and slipped it inside. The shoebox calmed down. The giant football shrank back to normal. Everyone sighed in relief. Ollie realized something important. "This box works best," he said, "when we put things in with thankfulness." They promised to use the box only for fun, and always with kindness and gratitude. From that day on, Ollie and his friends enjoyed magical adventures, sharing laughter and tiny surprises every day. The magic shoebox stayed safely in Ollie's room, waiting for the next wonderful idea. Moral of the story: when you are thankful for small things, big magic happens in life.